catch it, Q. Don't let him catch it. Austin, we're playing, buddy. Be ready. Hey, shot. All the way, Chase, to the rim. Good job. Let's go.
Quentin, remember what I told you.
Basic.
Follow ball. Good job. Keep it.
Square up. Make your move.
Right.
Look up.
Let's go, boys.
Gotta go. They're not ready.
Heads up, Michael. Heads up. Come on, Chase.
Good
He makes that one. This is good. He makes that one. Good here.
Don't let him get it. Don't let him get it.
Run, Sebastian. Kayla, come here. Hey guys, we're up on the make. We're up. Fire, we're up on the make. Fire, you hear me? We're up on the make. Box out. Right, we're up. Punch him in.
Who got Quinn?
Good job, Q. Don't let him catch him right here.
Don't turn your back.
Hey, we're going 50. We're still 50. Cut hard, looking for the ball.
11. Oh, Michael.
Shot like this. We're up. Who's back?
You gotta start something.
Guys, go motion. They're in 2-3. Go motion, okay? We're going motion. Cut hard.
Motion.
Good. Give me a box.
Chase, you need
Give
to
me a
stay on
box.
that. Just play deep.
Box. All right, protect the basket. Michael, get a hand in his passing lane. He'll try to throw it right to him. Box.
Don't turn your back. Just back up.
They're coming down. Come on, Cam. Grab it. Grab the ball.
Get in there, Q.
Grab it. Go.
Run out. Look out.
Keep running, Q. Find your man. Quentin, that's you.
Grab the ball.
Hey, we're in motion, guys. We gotta run motion here.
Chase, get it.
Bill hard. Austin, big hands. We're in motion here. Turn the base.
Swing the ball.
One time, Q. Share it. We're still in motion, guys. We're still in motion. We're still in motion. Guys, you gotta get out of the lane.
Quentin, shoot the fucking ball.
Get up.
Yeah, but you
Aiden! Come up, Tony! Tony, come up, Tony! Good move, Cam. Good move, Cam. Good move, Cam. Right up. Good job, Q. Good job, Q. Serve. Isaiah. Go to the table. Back. You're in there.
Watch your man.
Box, take it out, Lou. Take it out, Lewis. Damn, give me a box. Up.
Quinton, run. The rebound. Middle.
Bang.
No, they gave the run. Right. They gave their No.
Be ready, Q. Oh, Chase. It's a zone. You can't do that on his own.
Run offense.
See the ball.
Let's go, come on, Michael. Let's go, Mateo. Stay down, give him straight. Good job, us.
Get.
Take it out, Aiden.
Get in the gap.
Tony, go to the ball. Gotta play, Tony.
Don't let him get it.
Good. Basic.
Yeah, I like it, Quinton. Oh, Quinton, no foul.
That's all right. Let's go.
Set motion. Get across. Middle. Michael, middle. Matt, middle.
Swing. Quinton, find your man.
Take the ball.
Back. Pick up. Run to your man.
Quinton, turn around. Don't turn your back.
Shot, Lou.
Rebound.
Go. Head up.
Run up, Chase. All the way.
Good shot. That's a good one. That's a good shot.
Put it back up.
Hide your man.
Deep breath.
Dad.
Hey, come here.
Very short shorts.
Underwear. Very short shorts or underwear? Underwear. That's nice. Which one is look at it? It's over there. Got in the crowd.
1, 2, 3.
How do you have a video? It's hot? You got Gap.
Got it, 3 seconds.
Take it. Stop turning your back.
Try, Max.
You're gonna go
Box.
get it?
Box.
It's in the front seat on the floor.
Box.
I'm not going with it.
Set it up.
Either you go
Set
or
it
you
up.
don't. This shade in the
Lewis.
shade over there.
Watch middle, right?
Stand in the shade.
Across! 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 Put your hands up, Max!
Hands up.
Reach for the ball. Don't turn your back.
Aiden!
Come on, Quinton.
Stay there, Tony! Go, Lewis!
Look up, Chase. Good pass.
Get up! Get up!
Don't foul. Don't foul. Don't foul.
Look up! Look up, Tony!
Find
Look
your
up!
man, Chase.
Let's go.
Lewis, you all right? Box! Box! Box!
Front. Front.
Take it out, Lewis! Across! Across! Go set the
See the
pick for
ball.
Aiden.
See the ball.
Put your hand up, Aiden! Turn.
Come on. Come on, Pete.
Yo, you can take him.
Where's motion? Take a knee.
Oh, never mind.
Take that foot up. Where's motion? Good.
Hands up, guys. Our hands up there. Get there, Tony. Up, Tony. Up, Tony. Up, up. Up, up.
There it is. Swing it to the ball.
Michael, show hands. Rebound.
Get out of there.
Got help. Got help. Got help. You. Take these. Share it. Share it. Share it.
Good shot.
Find your man. Find your man. Find your man. Press him on him. On him. On him.
Shot, Tony! Grab it, Lloyd!
Go to work. Go to work. Go to work. Put your hand.
Mecca, you got it.
Put your hand out.
Pass!
Somebody got to help. Somebody got to help.
Up, Max! Good try, Max!
Go, Quinton. Pick your head up.
You, I'm gonna do. Let's go.
Oh, come on, Mateo.
It's a deterrent to the passing. I'm not going to if you just stand your hands out. Chase, find your man. Go on. Take it away, Austin.
Watch your back.
Find your man.
Slow down! Slow down! Now go! Now go! Now go! Go!
Got Quinton.
You got to move. Force him left.
Fox, take it out, Lewis! Take it out, Lewis! Damn! Damn!
Touch, touch.
Put your hand out.
Touch. See the
Up,
ball.
up, up, up!
Hey, get there.
Get in front. No, don't get in front. There you go. That's how you do it. That's how you do it. Quinton, run.
Run, Chase.
Run, Quinton.
Watch your back.
Help your teammate up! Sub! Sub! Aiden and Matt! Aiden and Matt! Aiden and Matt! Across! Do it!
Go, Logan. Touch, touch. Don't let him get in there.
Go get it, Cam!
Don't
Go
turn
get
your
it,
back.
Cam.
There you go.
Go to work, Quinton, right there. Take it.
Steal it. Steal it.
Take it. Take the ball.
Steal it, Quinton. There you go. There you go.
Pass it! Gotta pass it! Hey, stay up! Stay up! To the man! To the man!
Be strong. Be strong.
Get one, Michael. Place in the guard.
Hands up!
I don't know.
Yeah!
Get it back.
Take him off.
Quinton, get.
Go.
Take him. Take him. Take him. Thank you. Ah, yeah.
Find your man, boys.
Turn around. No foul. No foul. Good D. shake it off. Good D.
Good morning. What's up, boys? How we feeling? Good morning.
Coach Mike, how you doing?
Find your man.
Yeah? Good to
Box,
see you.
guys,
That's it.
box. Take it out.
20 seconds.
Find your man. Touch your man.
Up, up,
I'm snatching her back.
Stay in front.
up, Lewis. Up, Lewis.
Right there.
Turn, Lewis. Turn, Lewis.
London, get ready. Follow, Chase. Follow. Follow, Chase. Rebound. Get down. Get down. Look up. Look up. Look up. Don't foul.
I don't know what that score is. Try to zoom in. Is it like 8-8? I don't know.
Right? Stop at it.
Everybody get some water. Everybody get some water. Get some water.
Dad.
No, on the summer, no, weekends they open. But weekdays they have to come late.
It's getting too hot?
Yeah.
Wow, what happened? Oh, it is hot.
Dad, who is it?
No, it is hot.
So there was this time I bring the iPad. Dad, who is it? And it said it got iPad.
It's gonna cut off.
Dad, who is it?
No, just the wind is blowing right now, so
Dad,
give it a
who is
little.
it?
So why is it that we're not running?
You don't get active. You gotta get active, man. You gotta get active.
Y'all are always great. Offense. What are you supposed to do on base? Say it again. Everybody say it. Say it again. Say it again. I don't care what it is. You gotta run it. Say it again. Say it again. This is class now. This is class. Say it again. Say it. Say it. Say it.
Exactly. You guys have to say it again.
It's on offense. All right? Shot.
Listen, on the out of bounds stuff, they're just running by.
When you put that,
Tighten up and say straight around, guys, getting down. Or they're just setting the run. Either way, no matter what you're doing, you always got to take a break. What's happening? That is on the slow.
All right. You said you need a break. Yes or no? Huh? You're in the middle. 8 is on one side. Okay.
Tyson. What? I'm a pirate. Arr.
Okay. 1, 2, 3.
A pirate.
All right, get out of the camera. Get out of the camera. Every time I want you in it, is it?
We're going in a different direction now, guys. So green is trying to score down there. Pink we're scoring down here. Okay? Golf matchup.
2, 3. 2, 3.
All right, so we're in motion. We're in motion.
Lewis, shoot out, Lewis.
Do you running
Swing stand. Smack. Damn, that's good. On the ball,
Pass go
Cam.
opposite.
Get
Go
that,
opposite.
Cam.
Pass go opposite, Chase. Pass go opposite.
Get that, Cam.
Like you
Cam.
That's you
That's a good team.
Good. Nice. Slow down.
Who's got four? Who's got four? Stop the
See the ball.
Guys, that's your take the backboard.
Come on, Q.
Up, put a body on it. It's way too easy, boys. Hands in passing range. Watch the cross screen or watch the up screen. We're running stack. The last guy's running down. Watch the cross screen, watch the up screen. Sebastian.
Don't foul. But travel. Good D, Quentin.
Great D. Turn.
Motion. Pass.
Quentin, knees bent in the corner. Knees bent.
Good D.
Good D, fellas. That. Michael inbound. Sebastian, Michael's your inbound. You get on the end. You get on the end.
Wingspan, Max. Wingspan. Rebound, Max. Grab it, Max.
Rebound! Take it!
Quentin, get involved.
Hands up, Max. Good.
No foul. Rebound. Come on, Q. Watch it.
Get help. Take the easy one.
Quentin, get involved.
We're in motion.
Come up, Cam. Go. Hey. Hands, Caleb. Good. Up, Caleb. Up, Lewis. No more looks. Play up.
Bounce pass, Quentin, next time. Quentin, take off. Quentin, take off.
Go. You gotta be
Sub, Brad. Come on, Lewis.
We're up on the make. Up. He's going.
Come on, Quentin.
Nice.
Dad, the camera's getting Dad.
Shane.
Be aggressive, Quentin.
Rotate, Cam. Up, Shane. Just check. Go to it, Shane. Up, Shane.
Fuck a play.
Watch out, man. Rebound.
Chase! Shoot, Chase! And Chase! Shoot in front of you.
Pick up.
We're up. Take away, Michael.
Don't lose him. Turn around. Back up. Back pedal. Quentin, back pedal.
Come on, Michael. Yes, sir. Come on, man. Stop the ball, will you? That's the whole court.
Go by him.
Come, Cam. Ball up, Cam. Up, Cam. Get it, Cam. Up, Cam.
Nice shot.
Pick up! Get the ball, Cam!
Somebody go get it. Pick up.
Back up. Don't turn your back.
We're so far away.
Hands up.
Push out D!
Good job. Everybody up. Let them sit.
Yeah, that's your man. What's up? Hug him then. No, not hug him literally.
Six fouls.
Stop. It's too hot, bro. You know you can't bother me during the game. I love you after.
Put your hands above your head. Getting the shot back. Listen, when you get the rebound, all right? If you're gonna dribble, are you listening to me? If you're gonna dribble, you gotta dribble with your head up so you see because you're tall, so you can see.
Oh, you were around.
Cam, don't leave him. Taylor, don't leave him.
They're not dribbles.
One, two, three.
They should be doing. They should get fouls in the basket. That's what I'm trying to say. Reach, try there, so he doesn't go all the way. Once he's down there, he can't defend on the paint. That's what I'm like. They get baskets. That's the thing. Down there, be aggressive here. Down there, it's too late. Who got number 4?
Which ball is it?
It's our ball.
You know what? Get him, man.
Oh, it's out. Niggas.
Press break, ready to help Q. Quentin, let's
Ready to
go.
help Q. Get middle Q. Go middle Q.
Cam, you gotta stay up, Cam. Come on, trap. Come on, trap. Rebound. Dribble.
Where you going, Tail? Stop ball. Stop ball. Go.
Take it.
Thank you, Chase. You gotta stop ball.
We get next jump ball. Keep trying. We get next one. Keep trying.
Hey, you guys gotta stop ball.
Who's got 4? Michael, hand in the lane. Don't let him catch it.
Touch him, Quentin. Touch him.
Catch it.
Rebound.
Run, Quentin.
Time out.
That's a foul.
All right, press break. Press break. Press break.
There should be 4 calls.
Time out. Time out. Time out. Time out.
4 calls. Means wherever he's gonna get is gonna go. Stop going to the line. Yeah, I don't know what they're doing anymore. They have one.
No, just get a man. Just find any man. The closest man to you, okay? Great thinking, but just find a man.
They gotta stop. John Logan gotta stop. Otherwise, it's gonna go right forward. And then beside him ain't enough. Reach. Get a foul. Pink ball, pink.
One, two, three.
Hard work on 3. 1, 2, 3.
Point to him now. Point.
Q, where are you going, buddy? Austin, stay in the middle.
He's strong.
1 1,000. Shoot 1,000.
Pick up.
Yo, shake it off.
Pick up.
Get in front of him.
Find your man. Pick up.
Take away the basket. Take away the basket.
Don't foul. Chase, just keep your hands up.
Somebody, don't let him go long. Who got number 4?
Watch middle.
Take away the middle. Take away the middle. Take away the middle.
See the ball, Q.
Take away the middle. Press break. Michael, take it out. Cut hard. Go
It's
Q.
man to man, Quentin.
Show yourself.
Get ready. Get ready.
Trap.
Good pass. Thank you. That's how you play. Now go get it back.
Grab it. Run,
Stop ball.
Find your man, Q. Don't lose him.
In stance. Box up.
That's good D.
Press break. This is the game, boys. Right here. This is the game. Let's go.
Turn, look. Take your time, Q.
Austin, ready to help. 1 1,000, 2 1,000, come in.
Catch, turn, look. Good.
Go, Chase, go. Go, Chase, go. Go, Chase, Lewis.
Swing it, swing it!
Trap!
Pick up! Pick up!
Get back! Thank you, Chase. Somebody got to do it.
Look up! Look up!
Hold it up! Sub! Stay in noise!
Q, we need energy.
Put your hands up, Aiden! Trap!
Pick up! Stop doing that! Pick up!
Stay with him, Q.
That's room!
Who's man?
It's man to man! Stay with your man!
Quentin, get in it! Look up, Chase.
Caleb.
Get out of there. Get out of there. Come on, Quentin. Hold on to it.
Up, Lewis.
Shot.
Pick up your man!
Find
Stay
him.
with your man!
Let's go, boys.
Get some water, yo. Take a deep breath or something. Is it 18, 14?
You know you can, Aiden, you know you can crouch in, you know you can crouch in Legacy and Title Tag game? People, you know you can crouch in Legacy and Title Tag game? People in Legacy and Title Tag game.
I'm having three questions, right?
They always come up to me and gab me.
Green. Lewis, take it out, Lewis. Lewis.
Get that! Take it!
Chase! Save your man!
All right, take the basket away, boys. Mateo, keep working. Don't let him catch. He's big, but work hard. Q ready to help.
Don't let the pass get in. Get
Go,
that!
Austin.
Cut up!
Stay down, Sebastian. Q front. Swing that.
Touch
Q
him,
ready
Q.
to help. Q. Straight up. Squeeze it.
Rebound! Hold
Share it.
Quentin, get out of his way.
Share it. Give him help.
Up.
Fire out.
Chase, come on! Stay in the game! Put your goggles on!
Chase, put your goggles on.
Put your goggles on!
Put your goggles on. Can't see. Hands up.
Put your hands up, Aiden.
Come on, Q.
Come back, Chase!
Quentin, run down.
Let's go, boys. One time. We need to stop and score. Stop and score. Hands in the passing lane, big energy. Keep working hard, Mateo. Keep working hard, Mateo. Q, come on, make something happen, buddy. 1 3 seconds, sir.
Take it. Run. Run. Other side.
One more.
Be aggressive. Shoot the
Up, Isaiah! Give it to Lewis! Stop. Taylor! Come here.
Quinton, that's yours.
Aiden, put your hands up, Aiden. Go set a pick for Cameron. Set a pick for Cameron! Aiden! Go set a pick!
Don't let him get it, Q.
Cam, get out!
Don't let him get it. Carry.
Calm down. Take it easy.
Quinton, you gotta shoot.
Stay right there, Isaiah. Stay right there. Stay there.
Stop hiding.
Trap. Come on.
Get back, Chase.
Stand right here and get your water.
Guys, you're shooting too.
2 minutes, Mike. We can press, whatever.
Chase, get in there. Chase, pinch. Austin, big step. Quinton, box out the shooter. Michael, box out Lou. Go, Q, run, Michael, run. Yeah, Michael.
Don't pick it up like that. Get back in it, Quinton. You gotta be aggressive.
Time out.
Hurry.
You gotta be aggressive. Yeah, but then get it back.
But one, he has one.
Look at this shit, bro. Look at this shit every game. You gotta be aggressive, bro.
Here, coach. This is how you watch out there one-on-one now. All right, you got one time out. Here, next time you foul.
Let's go.
One, two, three. Pink ball, pink. Come on, Chase.
Let's go. Well.
Pink ball, pink.
Got a ball, boys.
Hey!
Come on, boys.
Tony, Isaiah!
Q, get in it, Q. Q, get in it.
Aiden! Hands up, Aiden! Trap!
Get out of the corner.
Trap! Hey! Point to your man! Boy, he's got that over there. Aiden, stay right there.
No, you gotta push him off and go get it.
Get it, kiddo.
Go, attack him.
Go.
Chase.
Trap! Taylor!
Good tape. Good tape. Find your man. Let's go.
A foul. I'll take it.
We're shooting. We're shooting. No?
Sub.
No shooting.
Sub.
I thought you said 1 and 1.
Quinn, good take. Why is everybody in one spot?
It's pink ball!
It's Quinn, go this way.
What are they doing? Get out the bud.
Q.
Push him off.
Quarterback, come get it.
Take him.
5 out.
Take him.
Isaiah!
One time.
Hey,
Sheriff,
get it back, Quinn.
One more. Play up.
Find your man, Q. Find your man, Q.
Hey, pick up. Deny.
Hey, Tony, come, Tony.
Find your man.
Pick it up and deny.
Can't teach height, right?
Can't teach height.
Deny.
Don't let him get it, Q. Stop the ball.
Oh my God.
You guys gotta stop ball.
Get it back. Go, Quinn.
You guys gotta deny the ball.
Yeah, 20, 25.
Here we go, boys.
He can't dribble too. Just stop the ball. Foul him. This is not game scoring.
Don't worry about it. All right. That's not now. Don't want to down here. All right. You can, right? You so great. I'm not worried about your offense. Let's go. Set it up now. If I